Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to change the engine oil on a Volkswagen Polo 1.2 TSI. Let's get started. First, raise the front of the car using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Remove the undercarriage cover to access the oil sump. By using a 19mm socket wrench, unscrew the plug and let the old oil drain completely. Now, for the oil filter, use an oil filter wrench and turn it counterclockwise to remove it. Make sure the old rubber gasket comes off with the filter and clean the oil filter housing. Before installing the new oil filter, apply a bit of fresh oil to the rubber gasket, then screw it by hand and avoid over-tightening. Once the oil is drained, clean the plug and install a new washer if needed. Reinstall the drain plug and tighten it securely by 19mm socket wrench. Reinstall the undercarriage cover. Remove the safety stand and lower the car jack. Prepare a funnel and pour in new engine oil. Add approximately 3.84 liters, but refer to your owner's manual for the exact capacity. Once you're done, close the oil cap and start the engine. Let it idle for a minute, then turn it off and check for any leaks under the car. After a few minutes, check the dipstick. Make sure the oil level is between the minimum and maximum marks. Top up if needed, but don't overfill. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY video, and don't forget to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.